Fried chicken is a beloved dish that brings together crispy, golden brown skin with tender, juicy meat on the inside. While traditional fried chicken can be quite indulgent, this recipe focuses on creating a crispy, flavorful coating while keeping the inside moist and delicious. Perfect for a comforting meal or as a crowd-pleasing dish at family gatherings. Ingredients: 4 pieces of chicken, legs, thighs, or breasts. 1 cup all-purpose flour. 1 tablespoon cornstarch, for extra crispiness. 1 tablespoon garlic powder. 1 tablespoon onion powder. 1 teaspoon paprika. 1 teaspoon salt. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. 1/2 teaspoon cayenne pepper, optional for spice. 1 large egg. 1 cup buttermilk, or regular milk if you don't have buttermilk. Vegetable oil, for frying. Instructions: prepare the chicken, pat the chicken pieces dry with paper towels to remove any excess moisture. This step helps the breading stick to the chicken and ensures a crispy texture. Marinate the chicken. In a large bowl, whisk the egg and buttermilk together. Submerge the chicken pieces in the mixture, ensuring they're fully coated. Cover and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes, or overnight for even more flavor. Prepare the flour mixture. In a shallow dish or large bowl, combine the flour, cornstarch, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, salt, black pepper, and cayenne pepper, if using. Stir to mix everything evenly. Coat the chicken, remove the chicken from the buttermilk mixture and let any excess liquid drip off. Dredge the chicken pieces thoroughly in the flour mixture, pressing the flour onto the chicken to form a thick, even coating. For an extra crispy finish, dip the chicken back in the buttermilk and then back into the flour mixture. Heat the oil. Pour vegetable oil into a large, deep skillet, enough to submerge the chicken halfway, about 1 to 2 inches. Heat the oil over medium-high heat to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Use a thermometer to check the temperature, as frying at the right temperature ensures crispy chicken and prevents it from being greasy. Fry the chicken. Carefully place the coated chicken pieces into the hot oil. Avoid crowding the pan to ensure even frying. Fry the chicken for about 10 to 12 minutes per side, depending on the size of the pieces, until golden brown and cooked through. The internal temperature of the chicken should reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius. Drain and serve. Once the chicken is fried, transfer it to a plate lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. Let the chicken rest for a few minutes before serving. Tips: crispiness. For extra crispy chicken, double dip the chicken by redipping it in the buttermilk and flour mixture before frying. Spice: adjust the amount of cayenne pepper or add chili powder to increase the spiciness of the coating. Resting: let the chicken rest after frying to ensure the juices redistribute, making the meat even juicier. Serving suggestions: serve the fried chicken with classic sides like mashed potatoes, coleslaw, or cornbread.